Hello guys and welcome back to another video on the Mr. Cola Roaster YouTube channel.
Today we're here at Plopsaland De Panne in Belgium for our first ever visit.
This park has Ride to Happiness, which looks to be one of the best coasters in Europe and maybe even the world.
Wees voorzichtig.
We're now going for a ride on #LikeMeCoaster.
Woohoo! Now it's time for Drac.
This is the last of the 3 kiddie coasters we've got to do here. We decided to do them first because we've heard they get long queues throughout the middle of the day.
Now it's time for Ride to Happiness, the best coaster here.
Welcome to the Ride to Happiness.
We're about to go on Ride to Happiness for the first time.
We can't wait as it's been a bucket list coaster for us ever since it's opened.
We've just come off Ride to Happiness in the back row. What did you think?
It was amazing. The start's crazy and we love how it spins. Hopefully we'll do it a lot more later in the day because we know every ride is different. Spinning on the launches is crazy. What do you guys think?
It was a really fun ride and I'm so excited to ride it later in the day to see if we can get even more spins.
And what about you?
Yeah, I thought it was good.
Now it's time for Anubis.
The park's Gerstlauer launch coaster. We just had a front row ride on Anubis. The launch was really good.
The air time on the top hat and the hang time on the final end version were also great.
Now we're going on Super Splash.
Similar rides to this are on RCDB, so we're going to count it as a cred.
It's Walk On.
The spiral lift was really cool and you get a great view from Ride to Happiness.
We were in the front row, but we didn't get too wet. We just had a back row ride on Anubis. It was quite fun, but I do prefer the front for the views.
Now we're going on the GCI Woody, Heidi the Ride.
This is our last credit we have to do at the park. That was a very fun ride with more airtime than I expected. I think I like it more than Anubis.
I don't think I prefer it to Anubis, but I'll need another ride on it later in the day. We're now in the queue for Dino Splash, and there's a great queue. We've just come off another ride on Ride to Happiness, and this time the spinning was much better. We were nearer the front and we did the drop backwards, which was an amazing experience.
We had another ride on Ride to Happiness.
However, we waited so long and we've only got 2 hours left. So we decided to buy the express pass, and we've got 9 rides. We've only got 2 hours left, so we're going to speed through them all. We got on the next train. It was crazy. What did you think of the ride?
It was so good. The airtime is so strong on that drop.
It's definitely the best ride we've had in it, and we've got a couple more to do later today. We've just come off another walk-on ride using our fast track, and this time we were in row 3. What do you guys think?
Yeah, it's got so much better since the start of the day. My first ride wasn't great, but now love it. It could be a number 1, I don't know. But yeah, really good. So glad I got the fast track.
Yeah, I also think we've had some really good spins on the last few rides, so it's been really fun.
We had one more ride and now we're going to Heidi. After another ride on Heidi, we're back for Ride to Happiness. Woo!
Just come off another back row ride on Ride to Happiness.
It was our craziest ride so far.
We even did the second launch backwards and it was absolutely crazy. The queue has got a lot shorter, so now we're going in the normal queue.
We got to do the first drop facing backwards and it was so good.
I think it was our craziest ride yet. We did the airtime hills backwards and one of the elements felt like we were doing front flips. It was bonkers.
After doing both the front and back row right now, we prefer the back because of the stronger airtime.
So we just came off the back row ride. We had the perfect ride in my opinion, as we did both launches backwards, did the drop backwards and the airtime hill backwards. However, you were facing forward, so how did you find it?
Well, it was also a really good ride, to be honest. I found forwards drops almost just as good, so yeah, it was very, very fun.
We've now used all our 9 fast tracks.
There's half an hour left, so we're going to marathon it to the end.
We got 17 total rides on this bad boy.
Every single ride was really different and it was amazing each time. What did you think?
I thought it was amazing.
It was very good. I only got 15 rides, not quite as many, but they were still so good. I loved it.
After 17 rides, it's definitely my number 1 coaster.
I think it's my number 2, just behind Steel Vengeance at Cedar Point.
In total, we did 26 rides, including 25 on roller coasters.
It was unfortunate that we had to spend €35 each on express passes, but it was worth it for marathon and Ride to Happiness.
Yeah, in the end of the day, we did 17 rides of it, so it was definitely worth it. Thanks for watching.
Make sure to like,
Comment
And subscribe.
hit that brake run.
Woo!